Good Saturday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, we'll say level 1 for today because of some gusty winds that'll be developing as we go through the day, and then overnight rain showers that we'll be thankful for because we still need to put some more rain in the rain bucket to make up for the deficit that we find ourselves in. And we're going to really help get ourselves out of that deficit come Tuesday because we have got some very heavy rainfall on the way. So that introduces a flooding threat. Now, water tables are low, soil moisture levels are low, and I think there's plenty of places for the water to go. so, so I don't think we're going to have too many issues. That's why it's a low end threat. But that threat may increase a little bit more on Wednesday. That's beyond the 5-day forecast here. But as we get even more rain on Wednesday is when we may have to start introducing a little bit more elevated of a flood risk. But as it looks right now, there may be a big enough gap between the Tuesday and the next system coming in on Wednesday, that enough of a gap to where water levels may drop enough to prevent significant flooding across the region. But I'll definitely keep an eye on that for you. Looking at our Clearview closet and blind 5-day forecast, PM showers for our Saturday. And by PM, I mean after afternoon and evening, we could see an isolated or scattered shower, but the main rain comes tonight, like after sunset. And it's not going to be anything too heavy. It's just some steady light rain, light to moderate rain. But look at that. We get near 70 degrees by this afternoon. So if you got outdoor plans, you want to go hiking, biking, whatever, just know that you may have to dodge a shower or two. I'm going down in the mid to upper 30s tonight. Now, Sunday, we see some very early morning showers. They'll probably be gone by the time you wake up, and then followed by some partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, just a light north wind. A little bit cooler tomorrow, by about 20 degrees cooler, so highs only in the upper 40s. Monday, looking pretty good, actually. Partly cloudy for the day, and then overnight, rain develops, and that really develops after midnight. And so Tuesday, 100% chance of not only rain, but heavy rain. And then Wednesday, we see showers continuing. I think we'll get a break in the heavy rain on Wednesday. So I think we'll just have some showers as it looks right now, with heavier rain developing once again Wednesday night. And our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union precip estimate forecast shows that. So we've got light amounts tonight, 0.2 of an inch or so. That's almost 1/4 of an inch. Let's hope we get to that point. Nothing much tomorrow, then nothing much on Monday. It's after midnight Monday that we start putting some serious raindrops in the bucket, and we get to at least 1.75, 1 3/4 inch of rain, it looks like, for Tuesday. And I flirted with leaving the 2-inch on there. So, yeah, guidance hasn't backed off much on those rainfall totals. And then another 1.25 inches on Wednesday. And that looks like mostly Wednesday night. So, yeah, definitely some flood threats going on there. We may have more of a threat with the Wednesday night rainfall than we do with the Tuesday, just because things are going to be much more saturated by that point. Wackert Realtors brings us our extended outlook, and you see next week, excuse me, highlighted for heavy rainfall. Then next Saturday, that's looking a little more interesting for some heavy rain once again, and possibly some thunderstorms to keep an eye on. So I'll monitor that situation very closely and see if anything comes of that. But it looks like a very dynamic system for next Saturday. But I'm telling you, I knew we were going to get more active because we have to, because we're in such a rainfall deficit. And Mother Nature likes to balance things out, and she's going to catch us up. On this day, 1971, the Crossville Airport reported 1/2 foot of snowfall. Kind of nice, but oh well, I guess we'll take 70 today. 1835, a severe cold wave gripped the southeast U.S. 8 degrees at Jacksonville, Florida. 0 degrees at Savannah, Georgia. Can you imagine how cold it was here? Orange trees were killed to the roots. 2009, snowfalls at levels above 11,000 feet on the big islands of Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Both of those mountains are about 13,000 feet, so they had about 2,000 feet of snowfall to enjoy. You folks have a wonderful Saturday. Keep looking up. For more weather information or to keep up with all this crazy weather, download that Meteorologist Mark app for free in your app store or follow me at meteorologistmark.com.